All right. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I want to do a quick video of skin that I bought on a website I found here, Loucid Co. I stumbled upon it because I was trying to look for like skins that I could put on my Quest 2 to, you know, just to make it look different, anything cool. I stumbled upon this really cool Venom stickers. There's a little bit of an issue. Finally got them. It's been a while, like a month or so, waiting for this thing. But I guess this thing was delivered to someone around my freaking neighborhood. Was not my address, but I'm lucky that they brought it back to me. But either way, all right. So it comes in a package like this. You know, it's a regular package like this, and this is what it comes with. I believe this is the bottom part. Controller stickers left and right, and the Venom sticker here for the front. They feel really good. They feel thick. You know what I mean? It doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels really good. Like it's a really good quality. But what do I know? I'm not like a vinyl expert. But it does not feel cheap though. It has a little weight to it. And the top. So yeah, Loucid.com. But yeah, Loucid.com. That's the website I went to. They have all different types of other stickers out. I'll just put it up on the screen. You'll see what they have there to offer. It's pretty cool. They had one that was like half Venom, half Carnage. So I had like a brain fart there for a moment. So yeah, and just some extra stickers. All right, so I just want to say off the bat that I'm not an expert. I really am really bad in putting on decals, so hopefully I don't mess this up. So yeah, all right, here we go. Hopefully it's not a failure. Oh, okay. This definitely doesn't feel cheap at all. All right. Yeah, this definitely feels heavy duty. All right. So I'm gonna line it up here. Oh crap, dude. I did say that I'm not really good at this. Just hold it like that. There we go. So I'm gonna line it up. There it goes. There we go. It's not easy. Oh, sorry, it's not easy. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. This is the top part. All right. Okay, all right. I just do one side. Not the best job, I'll tell you that right now. Definitely not. The only person I can be mad at is my damn self for putting this on like this. Whatever. Okay, that was good. All right, so there you have it. We have got the top part here done. It's not bad looking, you know, definitely not bad looking. It looks pretty damn cool. Transform this thing. It's pretty damn cool. All right, and then we're gonna do the controllers, the left and right. Let's see here. We're gonna start with the left one here. Alrighty. Here we go. It's a little pain in the butt. Alright, that's one of them. Pretty much just line it up like that. Not bad. Could it be better? Yes. But am I professional? No. So, alright. And I believe this sticker right here for the, I think for the wall unit. All right, let's see here. But that works. But not the... What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Definitely have to like wrangle this thing into place. Jeez. Once you do have it in place though, and it's good. Man, it's good. It definitely looks good. All right. So this is with the Loucid skins for the Quest 2. It's not bad looking. I think it's pretty cool. I just got to keep playing around to get the more wrinkles out, but other than that, it looks pretty cool. It's great. Not bad for 22 bucks. But yeah.
All right. I just want to say that this was not sponsored by Loucid at all. I bought this at it with my own money. So this is my own opinions and my own thoughts of the product. So again, it is not sponsored. I do have to say that, you know, you do have to apply a little bit of heat to the decal so you're able to smooth out the wrinkles. It does help out a lot. I'm kind of surprised it came out the way it did. It's pretty good after you play around with the heat and everything and to smooth it out. It looks pretty good. You know, it's not fancy. Probably somebody could do way better than I could since I'm not good at this. I'm pretty happy with it. It does look really cool. I wish they had like a Batman design. That would have been awesome. But this is still really good overall. It's still I'm pretty happy with this. But I will leave down a link down below to a video that they do the installation properly. They show how to do it. And also to the stores, to Loucid.com and also their Etsy store as well. They have more selections on there for different things, you know, different objects. I will leave it down below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please leave a like. That'll definitely help me out. And yeah, let me know down below if you guys are interested in getting some in. If you guys are gonna, or you ready, you know, customize your headset there. Either way, thank you so much. Till next time. Peace. Thanks. See you later, guys.